Getting ready to head out. These things are too bulky, so we packed too many of these. Gonna eat one before we leave. Found this Leuco tape in a hiker box. It's pretty nice. I put some on my heel, and I might leave it for someone else because I don't really want to carry that much more. I already had some. I actually keep it around my powder supplement thing right here on the handle. Yeah, here's other stuff. This is our morning energy mix that we've been carrying. It's just a powder. It's called Sneak. My wife likes the flavor. Yeah, got a new Sawyer. Stoked on that. Finally got a good flow to it. Got the pop top too. This is nice. Just filling up water for the day. We got a big carry. Got to carry out at least 3 liters each for 13 miles.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. There should be a cache. Should be good. And it's not too hot today. It's pretty cloudy, so that's amazing to leave. Scissors crossing. All right, let's get going.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 7. Just got out of Stagecoach Inn. Lucky enough to grab a hitch right when we got to the inn area. And some gentleman dropped us off at Scissors Crossing. About to hike out. This is gonna be our longest water carry. Got about 12 miles, I believe, to the next water source. So we're packing a little over 3 liters of water each to make this stretch. At the bridge, at Scissors Crossing bridge, we found some trail magic. Some Gatorades. Powerade, sorry.
Same thing.
Powerade. Some waters. There's a big cache. And yeah, it was great. And then also happened to run into Blaze Physio. Morgan. Her van was there.
She's a mobile PT on the trail.
Yeah, she's got a great setup. Helping hikers.
Golden retriever. Super friendly. Kiss my eyeballs.
Yeah, super friendly golden retriever, so that was fun. It's about 9 a.m. Gonna get started. Luckily it's a cooler day with a great wind gust, so thankful for that because it's a very exposed section and now we're shaded, so thankful for that. We're gonna get to hiking and we'll check in later.
Yep.
All right, let's hike.
As soon as we head up the next hillside, the landscape changed dramatically. There's all these new cactuses and succulents. It's pretty cool. I don't know what they are, but they're about to bloom. Look at this one right here too. It's got some buds growing out of it. It'd be pretty cool. Whoever's starting mid-April might get see it.
Oh my goodness. There's so many flowers in this section. We haven't even made it a mile and we can't even stop looking. It's just so beautiful. So many different types of plants and flowers blooming and cacti. It's incredible, truly. It feels so special to be out here after this high snow year and lots of rain. It's turned this desert landscape into an oasis. It's incredible, truly. Views for days, it feels.
See what? Wow. Whew. There's a jet flying by, so it's loud. I think this is Ocotillo. I'm not sure. Looks similar to something I see in Joshua Tree, except for it's green. So maybe it's just the season I'm in. I don't know if anybody watching this can confirm. Let me know. I'm just doing armchair botany. Yellow poppies all over the hillside. All over. Canterbury bells. I don't want to leave this hillside. It's so nice. I mean, this has got to be my favorite part so far. For sure. So we started this morning over Stagecoach. There's the runway of the lady that let us camp there. It was amazing. She's so kind and so nice. And a very interesting person. She's got a lot to say, a lot of jokes too. It's like a corridor of flowers here. I feel like today's video is just going to be flowers galore and cactus. Yeah.
The campsite.
This is a campsite?
Yeah.
Interesting. These are invasive plant, yellow mustard, and they take over the whole hillsides of a lot of Southern California, mostly like in Orange County. There's a patch over here, here. They have that chartreuse color. If you see them along the trail, pluck them, because they mess things up. Just took a nice break. Coming out of break, just stopped and ate a bunch of food, drank water. Pretty nice. Gotta love the full bloom. Wow.
So many pretty views.
I call this Lupine Hall, or Lupine Ridge. Windy day today, but it feels great. Some pretty good cloud coverage, not bad. Wow.
Look who I almost stepped on. He moved right in front of me. It's a baby bearded dragon. Oh my god, he's so cool. Hi!
Some jets that were super loud just flew over. We got this campsite right here, about to set up the tent. We're right next to the water cache up from Scissors Crossing. Very nice, taking an early night. I think it's like 5:15, probably set up camp. And relax, eat, and get some early sleep. Didn't sleep that great last night, so hopefully tonight's better. Yep. Cooking some food right now. Getting set up. Got the gimbal. And pretty epic sunset. Oof.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 8. We are at the water cache campsite 10 miles away from Montezuma Valley. Gonna hike out in just a little bit and go into town, grab a few things, and then head back out. We'll check in a little bit.
Yep.
Okay. All right, see ya.
Got some snacks out, and this morning I tried cold soaking oatmeal. I put cherries, almond butter, honey, oatmeal of course, and pepitas, sunflower or pumpkin seeds, and water. Coming out of the water cache from our campsite, the hillside is just loaded with poppies that are closed up right now. It's still morning. I mean, they're everywhere. Wow. Wow. What? Super windy on this ridge. Pretty nice view though. Last night our tarp tent Dipole LI-2, that's the name of the tent, got its first test with the wind, and it was flawless, I must say. For a trekking pole tent, a single wall, I mean, I don't know how it could get better. So if you're looking for a tent like that, go for that one. I recommend it, or we recommend it. Moving pretty quick this morning. Just about 5 miles in an hour and a half. Not bad. It's pretty grim out. A little misty. Some marine layer coming through. It's like a hallway of flowers over here. Seems to be the theme of the week so far. People starting a week after us probably are going to see the full bloom of a lot of places in the south portion of the desert. This crow coasting. Almost made it down to the road. It's so green down here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we made it. Woo!
Yeah, or if it looks like health insurance, they need to see what I can do.
Waiting for the shuttle. It's windy. Here's the place. We got some food here. Let's see. Montezuma Valley Market. Beer garden. Oh yeah, Montezuma. Beer garden. Anyway, outdoor gear. Hay feed. Savage Beaches honey.
Hello. Good afternoon. It's about 1 p.m., a little after 1. We just left Montezuma Market and are about 10 miles in today. Thinking of doing another 8 to 10. We'll see. Yeah, there's this terrible winds over by the market, like 40-50 mile per hour. It was fairly chilly. Not so bad. Yeah, it was rough, but not too bad where we are now. The sun's peeking out here and there, so that's nice. A little warmth from it.
6 miles out from the rock.
Yeah, something like that. So we're gonna get hiking and check back in later.
This area is really cool so far. Really nice day today with the break from the sun. This weather is much better for being efficient with water.
A little over 2 miles, I think, maybe 3, I'm not sure. But we're in this really awesome valley. Jared's right there. Look how nice, it's massive. Just never-ending plains. I'm going that way.
This creek is pumping. I don't think it was marked, so that's pretty nice to see. Still haven't really needed much water today because of how windy it is and the lack of sweat and exertion. Just feels like a normal old day at home, walking around, doing daily things, drinking casual amounts of water. Appetite calmed down a little bit today too. I don't know how, but yesterday I felt like I kept eating and eating and eating and eating. Oh, there we go. Look at that flow. Wow. So actually, this is San Ysidro Creek, and there's so much coming through it right now. It's split in two paths. What a blessing. So open. That's like generally where we're going. We're almost to Eagle Rock, which should be cool. Let's go. That's Eagle Rock up ahead. It's a spot I've always wanted to go to when I lived in Southern California. Never actually made the trip out. It was an unusual drive to get out to this dry open area from Orange County. Eagle Rock. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here's my breakfast that I cold soaked in the morning in this jar. It's rolled oats, pepitas, cherries, almond butter packet, and a honey packet, and water. And I'm just gonna let this sit overnight. It tastes good. I ate it for the first time this morning and it was great. And for dinner we got this, we packed out this, it's from Washington, Smoked King wild salmon. Pretty good. Pretty lean. We got chopped garlic, garlic salt, olive oil. I carry this little plastic pepper corn thing. I love it. And lemon juice. Boom. It's gonna be good. And I also have this bag of vegetables my friend Evan left me. Not sure exactly what's in it. You can see there's peas, probably peppers, and a shiitake mushroom. Oh. Yep. And here's what it looks like. Wow. Yum. Just been walking on a heel blister all day. Tasha just helped me pop it, and yeah, it was kind of gross. No, not right now. I'm filming.